Hey everyone, it's Laura, and I know you guys don't pass notes anymore, but let's try this. Fold the corner to the edge to make a square piece, then fold that part in to make a long rectangle section that ends in a point. This is how we used to pass notes back in those millennial times that y'all think is cool now. Fold the edge up about a third from the bottom. You will know that this did not work because your tip, your little point, will not tuck in. And then fold this in half again, like so. And as you see, you have a little pocket you can put the corner in. This is how we used to pass notes before we could text each other, before we could email each other easily. I mean, you could email each other, but nobody would see it ever. And then we would like decorate it and make it cute. And the trick was to use any paper you had. So you could use teeny paper and make a super tiny baby note if you wanted to. I was showing our students here at the library how to do this the other day, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to show you too. Here's another way we used to do it. This one works best if your paper is cheap, so the lighter weight your paper is, the better. You can tell at the end here I had a little bit of trouble folding my triangle, so get cheap paper. I didn't have any. So you folded it like a hot dog in half lengthwise. You are now folding it like a hot dog bun again in half lengthwise a second time. And then we're going to fold the corner down to make a little pointy point. And then you fold your point down. See, I'm already having trouble with how thick that paper is. Ugh, it was a terrible choice. And then you're going to fold your top corner. What you're doing is you're just taking your triangle and folding it over onto itself in order to maintain your triangle shape. I'm speeding it up. It takes forever. When you get to the bottom, you want to fold the corners of what's left up onto themselves to create a little flap that you can stick up inside the little triangle. And you do not need a full-size paper for this. You just need a rectangle. So if you have any rectangle paper, make sure it's wimpy, because this thick paper was not fun. And you can stick this. We used to just like put it in each other's backpacks. They'll find it eventually. And there you go. Those are two ways that we used to pass notes back in the millennial days.